welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add text animations in VN Editor. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to add text animations in VN Editor, then all you gotta do is simply go and tap open VN Editor. Once you have tapped open VN Editor, you can simply add text animations in VN Editor by simply adding a text layer. Then you can select it and tap the motion option to find it in and out and loop animations like fade, slide, blink, pendulum, or typewriter. You can adjust the animation speed or style using the sliders and preview it to sync perfectly with your video for a dynamic look. So if you're going to follow these simple and easy steps, then you will be able to add text animations in your VN Editor. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.